My Dell XPS 17 is a great laptop overall, but it does have some issues. Hi, I'm Justin from Random Tech Videos, and today I'll be going over what I don't like about my Dell XPS 17. After having it for about 6 months now, I can honestly and accurately tell you what I don't like about it. This video is not meant to be a rant, as I really like the laptop overall, but there are just some issues that I should not have to deal with on a $3,000 premium laptop. But before I get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more random tech videos. With that out of the way, let's just get into the video. The first thing I want to mention, and this is already a known fact about this laptop, is the battery drains when it's under full load, even when it's plugged in. I got the fix that allows it to draw 130 watts from the power adapter instead of just 100 watts, but it's still draining the battery. And you might just think, oh, what's the big deal if the battery drains a little and recharges? It's actually a big deal though, because constant discharging and charging of the battery wears it out much faster, especially when it's just the last few percent being lost in recharge. When I got this computer 6 months ago, I had a 97 watt hour battery. Now the battery is down to 67 watt hours. That's not acceptable for such a short period of time. I'm going to have to get the battery replaced before the year is over. Another problem I've been experiencing is that the included HDMI and USB-C adapter that came with the laptop does not appear to be supporting HDMI 2.0. This adapter goes from USB Type-C to HDMI and USB. But the problem is that even though it claims to be HDMI 2.0, which should support 4K 60, I'm only able to get 4K 30 out of this, even on a 4K 60 display with a 4K 60 compatible HDMI cable. The reason this is happening is because the adapter is splitting 4 USB-C lanes into the USB and the HDMI. I wish Dell had fixed this or just made this a Thunderbolt 3 adapter instead of USB Type-C adapter. Because if they're going to take away the ports, at least give a working adapter. But as it is now, I'll probably have to buy a new adapter, or maybe I'll just buy a USB-C to HDMI cable. This is not exactly a problem, but it's really annoying though. Whenever I try to open this laptop, I literally have to jam my fingers between the top and bottom piece of the laptop and just force it open, and it's very hard to do with one hand. There should be a little notch to get your fingernail in and easily lift it up. The XPS lineup has been having this issue for a while. It's not just the XPS 17, but this really should not be an issue on a premium laptop. Again, it's just an inconvenience, but not that bad. Another inconvenience of this laptop is that the finish gets smudged very easily. I have to always pick up my laptop by the side and never touch the top or the bottom, otherwise it'll get really smudged and very hard to remove the smudges. And finally, the fifth point I want to make is that why in 2021 are typical laptop webcams still 720p? I mean, seriously? This is a premium laptop. It should have at least 1080p. 720p was okay 5 years ago even, but laptops these days should at least have 1080p, considering especially how many people use their computers for video conferencing. So those are basically the only issues I've been having with this laptop. It is overall a very great laptop, but I do hope that they'll at least fix some of these issues in the upcoming 2021 XPS 17 lineup. So if this video was helpful, please consider giving it a like. Please comment what your thoughts are. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more future videos. And until next time, goodbye and thank you for watching.